Have you ever wondered how the future of jobs and AI will look like? Welcome to a reality where the impossible becomes possible, where the realms of science fiction converge with our everyday lives. We're living in an era of rapid technological advancement, where artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword, but a transformative force that's reshaping our world. From your morning coffee to your evening commute, AI is silently revolutionizing every aspect of our lives, and the job market is no exception. This incredible surge of AI is set to redefine the professional landscape, bringing forth a wave of innovation, but also a wave of disruption. Join us as we open the doors to our channel. Glad to have you. Today we're going to explore this brave new world. We'll count down the top 10 jobs that might be on the chopping block, replaced by the relentless march of AI. It's a future that's exciting, unnerving, but ultimately inevitable. So are you ready to embark on this journey into the future? Here we go. Starting off our countdown at number 10, we have cashiers. Ever noticed how self-checkout machines are popping up everywhere? Or how online shopping has become our new norm? This isn't just a trend, it's a sign of the times. The need for cashiers is dwindling as technology evolves, and businesses opt for automated systems to cut costs and increase efficiency. While this change is already happening, it's only the tip of the iceberg. Moving on, at number 9, we have factory workers. The clatter and clamor of factories are giving way to the whirring of machines. Automation and robotics are stepping in, performing tasks with precision that surpasses human capability. They're not tiring or calling in sick, they're just tirelessly efficient. Robots are handling everything from assembly to packaging, turning the factory floor into a ballet of automation. This isn't the future, it's happening now. This is a clear sign of how AI is transforming the manufacturing sector. At number 8, we find drivers. Picture this, a world where cars steer themselves, navigate traffic, and park without any human intervention. Self-driving cars, once a futuristic concept, are now becoming a reality. Companies like Tesla and Waymo are revolutionizing the transportation industry, increasingly making human drivers redundant. Imagine the vast networks of taxis, delivery trucks, and even long-haul trucks operating smoothly without a driver at the wheel. As technology advances, the need for human drivers may become a thing of the past. At number 7, we find customer service representatives. In this modern era, AI chatbots and automated systems are taking the helm. They provide quick solutions to customer queries, reducing wait times and boosting efficiency. Not just that, they're available round the clock, making customer service more accessible than ever. However, this shift towards automation means we're trading the warmth of human interaction for efficiency. So, while we're seeing a rise in efficiency, we're also witnessing a decline in human touch. With AI, customer service is becoming more efficient but less human. Coming in at number 6, we have data entry clerks. Picture this, complex algorithms working tirelessly, processing data at a speed and accuracy that's simply beyond human capabilities. These artificial intelligence systems are revolutionizing the data entry field, reducing errors and increasing productivity. They don't need coffee breaks, and they certainly don't call in sick. However, don't despair just yet. As data entry jobs decrease, the demand for data analysis is skyrocketing. Data entry jobs are on the decline, but the need for data analysis is on the rise. Now let's dive into the top 5 jobs on our countdown. Starting from number 5, we have proofreaders. The task of proofreaders is no longer just a human's job. AI has stepped up to the task with the ability to spot errors and suggest improvements, all thanks to natural language processing and machine learning. They're not only fast, but they are also meticulous, making proofreaders a relic of the past. Moving on to number 4, we have bookkeeping clerks. Despite the vital role they play in maintaining our financial records, AI is taking over. With its ability to process transactions and reconcile statements faster and with more accuracy than any human, it's likely we'll see fewer human bookkeepers in the future. Coming in at number 3, have telemarketers. AI technology is revolutionizing this field, with automated systems capable of making calls, delivering messages, and even handling basic customer service. The inescapable push towards efficiency and cost reduction means that AI's takeover of telemarketing is only a matter of time. Don't go anywhere, as we are about to reveal the top 2 jobs on the brink of extinction due to AI. At number 2, we have assembly line workers. With robots becoming more sophisticated and capable of performing complex tasks, assembly lines are becoming more automated. Robots can work non-stop, they don't need breaks, and they can perform tasks with extreme precision. This makes them perfect for assembly line work. So if you're working on an assembly line, it might be time to start thinking about a new career path. Because in the near future, your coworker might be a robot. And finally, the moment you've been waiting for. The number one job that is most likely to be automated is, drumroll please, we have bank tellers. The digital age has revolutionized the way we manage our finances. With online banking, ATMs, and automated systems becoming the norm, the need for human tellers is decreasing. These technologies not only offer round-the-clock services, but also minimize human error, making banking more efficient than ever. But as banking becomes more convenient, it's costing jobs. The traditional face of the bank, the tellers, are being replaced by these automated systems. So if you're currently a bank teller, it might be time to consider upskilling or transitioning into a role that's less likely to be replaced. Because in the world of tomorrow, the bank of the future might just be a computer screen. So, what does this mean for you? It's a question that's probably echoing in your mind right now. With the prospect of AI taking over many jobs, it's only natural to feel a bit uneasy. But here's the thing. Change, as they say, is the only constant. And this rings true in the job market as well. The key to surviving and thriving in this evolving landscape is to adapt. It's about learning new skills, embracing innovation, and being open to fresh opportunities. Instead of worrying about the jobs that may be lost, let's focus on the jobs that will be created. Think about it. When the internet came along, it didn't just replace old jobs, it created a whole new world of opportunities. Web designers, social media managers, digital marketers. The same will happen with AI. There will be jobs for AI specialists, data analysts, and so many more. So, rather than resisting the change, let's prepare for it. Start by identifying your strengths and interests. Then seek out learning opportunities in fields that are less likely to be automated. It could be anything from creative arts to human services to technology. Remember, continuous learning is the key. Stay curious, stay hungry for knowledge, because the more skills you have, the more valuable you become. The future is not something to fear, but to prepare for. So equip yourself with the right skills and embrace the change. And there you have it, our journey into the future of jobs and AI. We hope you found this glimpse into the future both enlightening and inspiring. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps us a lot and it lets us know that we're on the right track with our content. And if you want to stay updated with more fascinating insights and explorations into the world of tomorrow, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support means the world to us and it's what keeps us going. Remember, the future is not something to fear, but to prepare for. So equip yourself with the right skills, embrace the change, and stay tuned with us for more. Don't just watch the future unfold, be a part of it. Hit that like button if you're ready to embrace the future, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into what lies ahead. Thank you for watching, and remember, the future is yours to shape.